What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some bike maintenance and some preparation for the Florida trip coming up and the official kickoff of the riding season. So just going to do some oil change, check over the bike a little bit. It's dirty, so please excuse that. Don't ever change your oil with the bike dirty, but gotta do what I gotta do today. It's been a long week, so let's get to it, get some preparations done, and talk about this Florida trip. If you don't know how to change the oil on a V-strom, pretty simple. This ain't gonna be really a how-to, but your drain bolt is right there. I had to take my skid plate off because I don't have no kind of drain going through there, so I just take it out of the way. I do some cleaning up on the bike anyway. And then you just oil filter. It holds about 2.9 quarts of oil, so pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. Don't get any metal on there though. Get yourself a high quality oil filter wrench. It'll work like a charm. I chose to get a Wix brand filter this time. I don't know if it's a 51359 is the part number. It's a little bit longer than the Suzuki ones, but filter quality from Wix usually pretty good, so we'll give it a try. But I think from now on just order the Suzuki ones. This thing was like 12 bucks. You can get the Suzuki ones for the same price. I think they're a little bit stronger metal, even though I run a skid plate. So maybe recommend this, maybe not. This is the one, if you can't get the Suzuki, this is highly recommended, I think, on all the forums. So give it a try. This is what I got right now. It seems the same diameter, so we should be good. Done draining now. I always clean my surfaces on both of them to make sure there ain't no grit there. See, this ain't no how to, but just give you little pointers. Probably recommend put a new crush washer on this drain bolt, but I ain't got one right now, so we're gonna go with it. Alright, I put about, I don't know, a little over 2 quarts in it, because I don't know how much actually drained out. So we'll fire it up and check it when it's level with the ground too. Right now it's sloping a little bit to the other side. So we'll crank it up and let it warm up and check it again. Alright, it's all good. Take a little test drive. No leaks, so we're good to go. And if you have any questions about what I use for oil, that's just why I've been putting it in all my dirt bikes and everything for ever. I know most people call for synthetic, but yeah, I don't think it makes that much difference. Change it too much. I was having a problem with this fork seal leaking. I think it was this side anyway. And I popped the dust cap up. It took me like a business card and cleaned around there like you would how I used to do it to my dirt bikes all the time. I actually make a tool for that, but I just run a business card around there and cleaned it up. I wrote it one time as in the last video, and I don't see any oil there right now, so should be good. So we'll get to cleaning it up a little bit. Alright, I got the bike all washed, cleaned up. I don't go hardcore with washing it, but check over everything, make sure fork seals ain't leaking, and make sure all the bolts is tight. And then I do all that all the time anyway. But I was we talk about this Florida trip for a minute. We plan on going on it's gonna be about 5 days total. We're gonna leave on a Tuesday after work and go camp somewhere starting on the Georgia Adventure Trail somewhere, and then make our way from about where he was last time on a few videos ago. We rode it for the day for my birthday towards the north. We're going to be starting about that same area, but riding it towards the south. And you can look it up. It's the Georgia Adventure Trail, or the GAT is what the nickname of it is. But it's got gravel, as you see in the other video. It's got dirt. It's got some muddy areas. And once you get down towards the southern part of Georgia and into Florida, you got a lot of sand. It looks like pretty deep, white, powdery sand. So rode in a little bit of sand and going to Edisto, and it was pretty difficult. Now I think this is going to be a challenging route for us. But that's all I said. That's mainly what I'm checking over the bike days, getting some preparations, getting ready for the official riding season to get here, where the weather's a lot better. But we plan on going on a trip in about 4 weeks. So it should be a good one. It's going to be a challenging one. Hopefully get to Florida with about, spend a couple days. Like I said, we're going to leave on Tuesday after work. Get down to Florida hopefully on Thursday sometime, and stay there for Thursday night and Friday night, and start making our way back Saturday sometime during midday, so we can ride half back towards our hometown and finish up on Sunday. So we won't get here too late on Sunday, so we can get ready for work. So it should be a pretty good one. You can look it up. Like I said, it's going to be a challenging route. So hope y'all subscribe, follow along, because it's going to be a good one. And really the official start to our YouTube channel, really. Just been building up, because we started it kind of, well, I had one, but started back up kind of late. And towards the end of the riding season, and we didn't have all of our cameras, didn't have stuff set up. Now we're getting a little more set up with our filming equipment and helmet cam and how we're doing things. So, and YouTube don't help small channels that don't seem like real good. So if any help from y'all, we'll definitely appreciate it. If you like the videos, comment on them. That gets them into the algorithm a little better and helps the channel grow. So any help we can get, we'll definitely appreciate. And we appreciate all the new people subscribing and all the support. And we just want to keep growing, and we like making the videos. We want to watch them when we get older. So it's no big deal. But we definitely like y'all to follow along and see all the stuff we get into this spring and summer, because we got some good stuff planned. I think this Florida one's going to kick it off with a bang. So follow along, and appreciate every one of you, and we'll see y'all in the next video.